Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will talk about how much it costs to own this car for the last 2 years, how much is my insurance, tax, fuel consumption and all the maintenance I've done in the last 2 years. So the car is an Audi S5 convertible from 2010. I bought the car with 150,000 kilometers on it, and since then I drove 50,000 kilometers. The car has a 3-liter supercharged V6 with 333 horsepower, 440 Nm of torque, a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, and of course, quattro all-wheel drive system. So I live in Germany, and the yearly tax for this car is 268 euros, and the insurance 294 euros, but it really depends person to person. But personally, I pay almost 300 euros. I've done already 5 oil changes, including the oil filter, air filter, cabin filter and fuel filter, in a total 900 euros. I also did a gearbox oil change with the 2 filters and it was 300 euros. I also let an independent workshop to do a carbon clean to my engine and it was 350 euros. So once my car broke down and we find out that it was the thermostat, so we changed it, including with the water pump and the belt, and it was 170 euros. Also, one of my engine mounts was broken and to replace it was 200 euros. So I had to replace my brakes also. First, I replaced only the brake pads because the rotor was good, and I put EBC yellow stuff for 280 euros. The EBC brake pads lost 20,000 kilometers, and after that I had to change all 4 brakes. I put Zimmermann rotors with Urid white low dust brake pads on all 4 corners of the car, for a total of 545 euros. I also had to change the tires. I put Pirelli P0s, 255, 35, 19 inch, in a total 750 euros. I also let a professionist to do a paint job correction with the ceramic coating, and it was 800 euros. So my fuel consumption in the last 7,200 kilometers is 12.8 liters in 100 kilometers. So in the last 50,000 kilometers I put around 6,400 liters. Average petrol price in Germany was 1.5 in the last 2 years. By the liters it comes out that 9,600 euros only for petrol. Now let's see in total. So the tax 536 for 2 years, the insurance 588 for also for 2 years, oil plus filters 900 euros, thermostat water pump 170, gearbox oil 300, carbon clean 350, front brake pads EBC 280, then all the 4 brake pads with the rotors 545, tires 750, the paint job correction 800, and with the fuel the total 14,819 euros for 2 years, or 7,400 for 1 year, or 670 euros for 1 month. But this including the fuel, and without the fuel it's 225 for 1 month. So this was my cost for the last 2 years owning this car. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe. Thanks.